that. It got them started back on their campaign. There he goes. Hello there.
Ganun na nga sasabihin ko eh. Na-carry over kaya niya yung last second winning shot niya from last season into this season. Well, there you go. Right away for the top of the key to tie it up at 5. Goes out to Adamos. Oh, look at the smallest guy. Ilagan gets the offensive rebound and put back.
4 points already. That's just what you call heart, you know. He's given the chance. You know, nawala yung team niya. Sabi niya, wala na naman akong trabaho. Eh, hindi, nandiyan ka pa rin.
That's right.
Trabaho ka lang, bata.
He still left it for Gabe. Didn't take it. Bo says, I'll try again. And I'll get it again. And he's telling everyone, that's the third time. Pangatlo na yan. Get over. Arana. Swing back to Teng. A second to go. Oh!
See the difference?
Gets it off the glass. He does a CJ Cancino over there. Stockton. Teng was asking for it, but Stockton did discard there.
And beating the buzzer.
Yeah. And you know, if that didn't go in, Teng would have probably gotten upset because he was so open waiting for that pass. Try Bo. Oh, and look at Bo. He tried to pull the seat away from Arana, but Arana kept his balance and got the basket.
This boy is showing a lot of potential. If you can do that to Bo Belga and then come in, maintain your composure, raise the shot, nice move.
Able to finish at the basket. Trey Karakot.
First 2 points of the ball game for him. Just a 4-point.
There you go. Ayaw pa rin. Tyrus tips it in. Binalibol na. Parang volleyball set yun.
Somebody forgot.
Lamang ng isang Rainer Shine. Gusto nilang dagdagan. The bounce to Norbert. Basket is good. Chance for a 3-point play. And Norbert Torres is in double digits going berserk here in the fourth. And kulang sa defenders. Itong Rainer Shine. Tyrus leaves it for Teng. And it falls for Teng. He had been quiet for a long time. And Bo is on the other baseline. Shaken up. That's back to a 7-point lead for... Chance to tie. There you go.
7-0 run.
And nakita mo yung...
He didn't want to take the shot. That's it. You know?
Bo, he'll step back. And he'll make it. He'll make it. Big Bo Belga with the big Bo.